Hey guys, Grant Downey here at FTI. Wanted to introduce you to one of our newest products that we released. It's going to be a 4L80 transmission auto shift. Okay, what that means is it's going to be an auto shift where you put it in drive and you go. You don't have to do any manual shifting to it. This is going to be more for like your resto rods, any type of like LS swaps. It's going to work real well with that. We offer two different styles. We offer a stage 2 and a stage 3. The stage 2 is going to be rated at 700 horsepower at the crank, and the stage 3 will offer you 1,000 horsepower at the crank. We also offer both the early model and the late model, okay? The main difference between the two, as far as a stage 2 and a stage 3, is going to be your 300M billet input shaft, and then a billet forward clutch hub that's rollerized with a bearing. That's going to give you that extra horsepower. Those are two very important main components to that transmission, and you can see how much more horsepower you gain just from having those two items, all right? These are going to be offered either just by the transmission by itself, or you can do a kit. And what that kit, or what's going to come in the kit, is going to be a dipstick. You're going to get approximately 14 quarts of fluid, and you're going to get a 9.5-inch billet torque converter. It's our billet lockup series. It's going to come with a 3-year warranty for the converter. And we also would upgrade you to a 10-inch billet converter for the same thing, depending on what your build is. Sometimes a 10-inch is going to be more suitable for your build than the 9.5-inch, and we understand that, so we will compensate for where we need to. It's going to be a great addition to the FTI products and get you guys back on the road, being able to do all the cool hot rod stuff you all do. One-stop shop. You can come get it at FTI, give us a call, visit our website. Look forward to hearing from you.